My name is Amissah-Arthur, coordinator for DreamOval Foundation. I'm excited about this week because it's happening big in Ghana, this Africa Code Week, and our target is to reach 50,000 Ghanaian kids.
According to DreamOval and GES, children learn a lot when they interact with computer or play with the computer and then do some actions with the computer. The Scratch Code software is an application program to assist children to learn how they can create their own animations, to play with it, and also learn with it.
It's a basic form of computer language or computer code. I can use it to write a story.
I remember how we chose the script and how we chose the background. How we commanded it to move.
I advise students to use this part in order to make their leisure time more interesting.
I'm Eunice Kuto. I'm the ICT instructor at Big Farm Basic School. It helps children to develop their talents. It helps them to build programs on their own as a form of career path.
This week has been set aside as the African Code Week. And during this period, children between the ages of 8 years to 15 years, that is from P4, Primary 4 to JHS 3, are supposed to be coding, writing their own programs using the Scratch application. Actually an international week of celebration. Not only in Ghana, the celebration started from 15th and then of this month, and it's ending on the 23rd of October. But it takes off officially in Ghana today, and as you can see, the children at the basic school from P4 up to JHS 3 are all writing their own program using the Scratch application.
This shouldn't be the end. There should be more of this program so that the children that will come after this group, they also have a chance of learning or training themselves in this software development.
This program was about the African Code Week, and a new software has been launched, which is the Scratch. And it is used for creating games, cartoons, or anything you want to create. And it was a very nice experience.
We really love African Code, and we are waiting to work with them one day.
It's not going to be a 9-day wonder. Africa Code Week is here to stay, and we are going to make it big in Ghana.
It's empowering your mind to think creatively, to think innovatively around things.
This is the beginning of the process. You've already told us how you enjoyed the program, and I've been in no doubt. Your teachers have been enthusiastic, you have been enthusiastic, and I believe that the skies are limit.
I've spent the past week in Ghana as part of the Africa Code Week program for 2016. and it has just been an incredible experience.
It keeps on growing and developing from within, meaning that we are not here to teach the children directly, we're here to teach teachers. And that's what is important, is that we keep on growing this enthusiasm around coding through the community teachers, and that we get more and more children, teenagers and youth involved across Africa.
And this is largely due to the amazing support of our local partner, the DreamOval Foundation. They have gone to extraordinary lengths to ensure that they train the teachers prior to this program, but also line up the schools that we visited during this past week, where we could bear witness to the program of Africa Code Week in action.
What is really amazing as well is to have seen the government initiatives around this, in particular the presence of the wife of the Vice President, and also the commitment of Ghana Education Service. The aim for SAP is that it keeps on growing and developing from within, meaning that we are not here to teach the children directly, we're here to teach teachers. And that's what is important, is that we keep on growing this enthusiasm around coding through the community teachers, and that we get more and more children, teenagers and youth involved across Africa.
This is an initiative that is taking place across the entire continent of Africa. Over 30 countries in Africa are this week training their children in computer coding using the Scratch language. And Ghana, being part of Africa, is also doing this for our children.
Coding is a new language. Every child deserves to be fluent. African Code Week. Hooray!